Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix NBA 2K25 game crashing problem or the lagging or the freezing issues. I will show you guys the very effective solution that will definitely fix your problem, and you will see the many people are talking about how you can fix this problem. They are showing the many solution, so please don't do that because there is no one specific fix to fix this problem, and you all need to do is just optimize your PC for the NBA 2K25 game. And you also just need to make sure that you have the minimum or the recommended requirement to run this game. If I just scroll down, you will see the system requirements. Here you just need to make sure that you have the minimum or the recommended requirement, which is this. You have the memory 16 GB RAM in the recommended. If you have the minimum or the recommended requirement, if your problem and if your game is still crashing, then this is the problem. Now go to the Windows side tab here, the task manager, and open it. Now guys, from here just simply close all the background application, then go to the startups, and here you will see all the background application which will automatically start when you start your PC, cause the lot of CPU usage or RAM usage or your PC bandwidth usage, and this will cause your game crashing. So when these applications are running, so all you do is just right click on that all application and just disable all of this application. And guys, once you disable all of this application, now we are going to set the high performance power plan in our PC for gaming. So you can go to the Windows side tab here, the power plan, and the edit power plan will show on the top. If you don't see here by searching, so you can type here the control panel and open it. And guys, once you open your control panel, now select the view bar to the large icons. And now here you will see the power option, just click on that. And now here just click on the create a power plan option you are seeing on the left hand side. And here you just need to select the high performance, click on the next and click on the create. And guys, once you create the high performance power plan, you can just click on the change plan setting and you can see any tutorial how to set the power plan setting. These are very important. These will just increase your FPS or fix any kind of lagging issues. Once you've done that, now we are going to increase our virtual memory. So you can go to the Windows 8 tab here, the view advanced system setting and open it. And guys, here you will see the advanced tab on the top. Just click on that and click on the settings. Now go to the advanced and click on the change. And now guys, we are going to increase our virtual memory. Whenever our game need more resources to run, our disk space is used instead of our RAM. So what you need to do is just select the C drive where your operating system is installed and just uncheck this box of the automatically manage and select the custom size. Then go to the Windows tab at the calculator and open it. And now here if you have the 8 GB of RAM, then you can multiply it with the constant value which is the 1024. And guys, just type this value in the initial size, and once you type it, as you can see I have already typed. Then you can multiply it with the 3 and type this value in the maximum size. Now guys, your RAM is increased, and if you have the 16 GB of RAM, then you can multiply it with the 1024 and type this in the initial size and multiply it with the 3 and type this value in the maximum size. Guys, once you do that, just click on the set option you are seeing here and click on OK. Then click on the OK again and click on the apply. Then click on the OK. Now guys, we are going to increase our number of processor whenever our game need a more CPU to run, so our maximum number of processor will be used. So you can go to the Windows setup here, the system configurations, and open it. And now here you will see the boot option on the top. Just click on that, click on the advanced options, and here just check this box of the number of processor. And guys, here you just need to select the maximum number of processor. If you'll see here the 8 or the 16 or the 32 or any value, then just select it, click on apply, click on the OK. Then you must need to restart your PC. Once you restart your PC, you can simply open up the Steam and launch your game, and hope your any kind of crashing problem or the freezing problem will be fixed in the NBA 2K25 game. And if you find this video helpful, I would really appreciate if you smash the like button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.